Get ready to be blown away because Huawei just pulled off the ultimate surprise move. They've unveiled the mind-blowing Mate 60 Pro. No lengthy teaser campaign, no grand events, they just dropped this beauty like a bombshell. And guess what? It's up for pre-order right now on Mall, their very own online store in China. The excitement is palpable as local customers are already reserving their units in droves. But hold on to your hats because here's the juicy part. The display is an absolute stunner. Imagine not one, not two, but three punch holes in the screen. Yes, you heard it right. Huawei went all in with this design marvel, placing the selfie camera and a futuristic 3D touch sensor right there in plain sight. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Get ready to be sucked into a visual wonderland with the whooping 6.82 10-bit LTPO screen. It's a riot of colors and details, boasting an eye-popping 2720 x 1260 pixels resolution and a super smooth 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. And the icing on the cake, the second-gen Kunlun glass that sits gracefully atop this visual spectacle. But hey, it's not all about the front, the back is a camera symphony. Imagine a circular arrangement with not one, not two, but three cameras. A star 50-megapixel main unit stands proud with optical image stabilization and p-autofocus, a true champion carried over from the Mate 50 Pro and P60 Pro, flaunting a dynamic f/1.4/4.0 variable aperture. Alongside dances a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a peppy f/2.2 lens. And not to be outdone, a 48-megapixel sensor teams up with an f/3.0 telephoto lens with optical image stabilization and autofocus. It's a photography powerhouse. Hold on to your hats because there's more. Huawei Mate 60 Pro isn't just a phone, it's a lifeline. It rocks a hefty 5000 mAh battery that plays nice with an 88-watt wired charger and a blazing fast 50-watt wireless charger. Oh, and don't even get us started on the 20-watt reverse wireless charging. It's like magic. Now, for the pièce de resistance, HarmonyOS 4.0 is the operating system that's in charge, making Mate 60 Pro the star of the show as the very first phone to sport this cutting-edge UI out of the box. A true trailblazer. Hold up, we're not done yet. Feast your eyes on the striking dual-tone back, available in 4 dazzling colors. The top dog white and green models flaunt a sleek glass finish, while the purple and black ones sport a chic fall leather texture. And here's the twist, each color is a tribute to a mesmerizing location in China, a touch of nature-inspired luxury. Oh, and the cherry on top. The Mate 60 Pro boasts 12 gigabytes of RAM and 3 tantalizing storage options, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and a whopping 1 TB, just when you thought it couldn't get any better. Buckle up, folks. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro is here to rewrite the rules and steal your heart.